Remote customer service representative pays up to $28 per hour. Work from home today. Sunny days. Work from home. Customer service. Afrekete work from home jobs pronounced Afrekete. Before we get started, what type of work from home job are you looking for? Put it in the comment section and AI will get started scouring the web for the perfect opportunity for you. Sunny days. Link in the description. Job title: Remote customer service representative. This is a remote full-time work from home job for anywhere. Work authorization required. Pays $11.54 to $28.85. $24,000 to $60,000 per year. Next.
Lucy here. Please take note that we have a vast number of jobs posted that do not expire, so take some time and look around. It's as simple as using the Play All button. So, before we get started, Mark will be explaining the pros and cons of working from home as a customer service representative. Next. What Mark has to say about work from home customer service representative pros and cons.
Customer service pro-cons according to iAsk.AI answer engine. Work from home customer service jobs have become increasingly popular in recent years, especially with the rise of remote work due to the COVID-19 pandemic. While there are certainly advantages to working from home, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider. One of the biggest pros of a work-from-home customer service job is the flexibility it offers. You can often set your own schedule and work around other commitments, such as childcare or school. This can be especially beneficial for people who live in rural areas or who have limited access to transportation. Another advantage of working from home is that it can save you time and money on commuting. You don't have to worry about traffic, parking, or public transportation, which can be a major source of stress for many people. In addition, you can save money on gas or other transportation costs. Working from home can also be more comfortable than working in an office environment. You can set up your workspace to suit your preferences and needs, and you don't have to worry about distractions from coworkers or office noise. However, there are also some potential cons to consider when it comes to work from home customer service jobs. One of the biggest challenges is staying motivated and focused when you're working alone. Without the structure and accountability of an office environment, it can be easy to get distracted by household chores or other tasks. Another potential disadvantage is that working from home can be isolating. You may miss the social interaction and camaraderie that comes with working in an office environment. This can be especially challenging for people who are extroverted or who thrive on social interaction. Finally, it's important to note that not all work-from-home customer service jobs are created equal. Some companies may not provide adequate training or support for remote workers, which can make it difficult to do your job effectively. In addition, some companies may not offer the same benefits or opportunities for career advancement as traditional office-based jobs. In conclusion, work-from-home customer service jobs offer a range of benefits and drawbacks to consider. While they can provide flexibility, cost savings, and comfort, they can also be isolating and challenging to stay motivated. It's important to carefully weigh the pros and cons before deciding if a work-from-home customer service job is right for you.
Hi, Lucy here again. I forgot to tell you we've found a great proofreading job, so be sure to come back tomorrow. We'll have it all researched, reviewed and ready for you.
Next qualification for this customer service job with Sunny Day states only that you will need a work authorization. What is a work authorization, you ask? According to iAsk.AI answer engine, a work authorization is a legal document that grants an individual the right to work in a specific country. It is also known as a work permit or employment authorization. Work authorizations are typically issued by government agencies and are required for non-citizens who wish to work in a foreign country. Next, benefits include employee discounts, flexible schedule, on-the-job training, work from home. Next, full job description. The company is collaborative, social and fun. The work environment is flexible, has growth opportunities and on-the-job training. They are looking for great people who care deeply about providing the best customer service. A successful candidate should be able to work from home, have experience as a team player, and understand technology. Next, roles and responsibilities include research, create and execute itineraries for clients, review individuals' needs and wants to cater reservations to meet their needs, attend ongoing training to earn and maintain certification, plan trips according to clients' budgets, effectively communicate, network with tour operators regarding packages. Next. Requirements say you must be 18 or older, attend an online training, must have computer and Wi-Fi. Benefits include travel discounts, online training, support team, flexible schedule full or part-time. No experience needed. Next. Indeed rates Sunny Days 4.1 star on reviews, salaries, interviews, photos and more. Next. Indeed shows 93 reviews, with 46 having 5 stars, 26 having 4 stars, 9 having 3 stars, 6 having 2 stars and 6 with 1 star. Next. Our first review was back in 2021 by occupational therapist who rated 5 stars and said flexible schedule, fantastic pay rates. Next review was in February 2023 by a current employee who rated Sunny Days 5 stars and said great workplace overall. Due to varying ratings, let's see what others have to say.